guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun and exciting video for you guys. It takes me back to the beginning of my channel when I used to do unboxings regularly. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun box, and thank you to Fabfitfun for partnering with me in today's video. If you've never heard of this box before, it is a seasonal box. So it is sent out 4 times a year, and there are full-size products in the box, which is really exciting because it's not like you're getting samples or anything. You're getting actual big-size products. So it's pretty much like Christmas or birthday 4 times a year because you're opening up this box and you have no idea what's in it. And fall is my favorite season of the year. I am just so excited and ready for the fall to get here, even though I live in Texas. It's probably gonna be a while before it actually feels like fall here, but I am determined to make it feel like fall inside my house and start making things a little bit more cozy. So I am so excited to open up this box. And if you are new to Fabfitfun and you use my code, I'm going to leave it right here. If you use my code, you will get $10 off your first box. That is a really good deal because you are getting full-size products in this box, and usually just one of the retail price of the products in this box is equal to the price of the whole box, if that makes sense. So you're getting a really good deal. So treat yourself, order yourself a box, and let's go ahead and open this together. So this is what the box looks like for the fall. Every season there is a different style box. It has a different theme and it's always super cute. The box is always so adorable. I opened it up and I didn't go through the stuff. I just kind of like took a tiny little peek and then I shut it because I like to do the majority of the unboxing and the really digging into the products when I'm here sitting in front of you guys. All right, so first of all, I'm thinking that this is a straightener, which is super cool because I am always looking for backup straighteners, and I would really like a straightener to be able to take with me to the hospital and not have to worry about grabbing the other one that I have. So having another one, and this, how cute is this? So this is by the brand Amica. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that color is. It's like a peach color, like a very light orange. And I have heard really good things about the brand Amica. They have really great hair products. So I am super excited about this. It even has a temperature controller down here. So I would imagine that just this product alone is probably equal to the price of the whole box. So that is crazy. I mean, that is a full-size straightener. That is not like some tiny little travel straightener. That is the real deal. Let's see, what else do we have? All right, so we have a body souffle. This says humankind skincare with a conscience, lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, human and kind's 2-in-1, light and fluffy. Body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. I'm either smelling this or I'm smelling something else in here, but something smells really good. Ooh. I want some of that on my hands. I go through lotion so quickly because my skin is so dry, so this is perfect for me. That will definitely get used. I need to slather like my legs and my arms and some of that. Oh, I love the way, oh, it smells so good. So the next product is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, which I love. Any kind of hair treatment masks. These are also never cheap. Treatment masks for your hair are usually pretty pricey. So let's see if this one has a smell. Ooh, it does smell good. All Aveda products smell so good and they work so good. So I am really excited about this. It says it instantly has visible repair and protects from heat styling. I'm sorry that you guys can't smell these products through the camera, but I totally wish that you could. Also, just so you guys get an idea of what it looks like once you open it, there's always a really fun little magazine on the top, which I love to look through. It gives you a little bit more like an in-depth description of the products that you're getting, so this is always fun. And then sometimes it comes with like little coupons in here. This is for HelloFresh. And then this is what it looks like in the box. So all of the products will be in here, just like a birthday gift or a Christmas gift, which is so much fun. So this looks like something that would come in handy. This is an after spa hair towel. So when I get out of the shower, I will usually wrap my hair up in a regular towel, but I have never had one of these tiny little hair towels before, so I'm really excited about this. And this is actually the one that causes like no frizz. Sometimes if you put your hair in a regular towel, it can get a little bit frizzy, but this one says heat and frizz-free dry. So I'm super excited about using this. I've always wanted one, but I've just never treated myself to getting a little hair towel. So that's pretty neat. And then this looks so fun. This is Harper & Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. So this is what the jar looks like. How cute is this? This will look so pretty in the bathroom. I know that they're not to eat, but I want to eat them because they're so pretty. So of course I need to smell them. Wow, they smell like candy. Oh, it smells so good. I just want to like touch them and squeeze them. Look how fun that is. Oh, I could totally eat them. I love bath stuff because every night I take a bath. That's just my thing. I love bath products because I'm a huge bath junkie. So these are so nice and they smell amazing. This next product are gold under eye masks. They are called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks by Wonder Beauty. I have heard such good things about these kind of masks for your under eyes, but I've never tried them, so I'm really excited to treat myself. Essentially, these are supposed to hydrate your under eye area, diminish the look of wrinkles, make you look a little bit more awake, and I've heard a lot of people using these after like traveling, or they slip some in their travel bags just because it makes them feel a little bit more awake. If you're like jet lagged, maybe you're a very sleepy mom like I am about to be here in a few weeks, so these will probably come in handy for me, but I'm really excited to try those out. So these earrings are by Bauble Bar and they are the Farrah ear crawlers. I want to put these on. So I got them on and this is what they look like. Those are so unique and so pretty. I love that they're not dangly, and so if you need something that doesn't like dangle from your ears, and I can't even feel that they're on. They're so light and comfortable that I can't even feel that. So those are so pretty. So the last item in the box is a cut from the cloth wallet. This is what the wallet looks like. How cute is this? If you guys have never heard of the brand Cut from the Cloth, this is a very high quality brand and they make a lot of jeans and stuff like that. So this is a very nice wallet. It has all of these areas for your cards in here, and then another little slot here, a slot for your ID. And I love the cute little black and white stripes on here, so that is such a nice little touch to the box. Once again, Fabfitfun knocks it out of the park. They have so many good things in here, and if you guys are interested in treating yourself or someone that you know to a Fabfitfun box, like I said, they are a seasonal box, so there are 4 a year and they come with full-size products, which is super exciting because you never know what you're gonna get, and it's like Christmas or your birthday in a box 4 times a year. So definitely use my code in the description box below to order your Fabfitfun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.